730 New Hampshire, number 4E. Get ready to be wowed. All of the perks of downtown living without the hassle of home maintenance. This 4,000 square foot condo is an entertainer's dream with wide open spaces featuring a chef's kitchen, dining area, hearth room, living room, billiards area, wet bar with wine fridge and extra ice maker, library, and a large media room for KU watch parties. You'll love the main suite with a spa-like bath, large closet space, and laundry area. And a secondary suite with walk-in closet and large bathroom. It also features a private patio, taking the incredible views of Mass Street, Old West Lawrence, and KU campus, plus a common gym and rooftop garden. Don't miss this wonderful opportunity. For more information, contact Randy Barnes or Becky Orth of Stevens Real Estate.